Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the installed Windows Defender version in Windows 10. So to find out and to check your Windows Defender version, click on Start, then type Windows Security. Open Windows Security. Now click on Settings in this left side panel. Now click on About. So here you will find System Information and you will find your Windows Defender version. So hopefully friends you like this video. By very quick method we can know how to find out and check Windows Defender version. Thanks for watching.